Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. In today's video I'm just going to show you a new purchase I've received from the online company Botanico. Just go over the pricing, a little bit about the plant and whether you should buy one, sort of a bit of a review. So the plant we've picked up from Botanico is a Dicksonia Squarrosa, which I'll show you in a second here. But first, just show you a couple other online purchases I've made this year recently. And again, pretty happy with it, I would say. So this one here is your highland lace, Cyathea highland lace. It's your dwarf woolly tree fern. I got this one from Jungle in the Box recently. A couple other plants ordered from them, and again, pretty happy with the purchases. This one came in at just £7 on sale, but again, not hardy, ground hardy for the UK. This is one I will be bringing inside and repotting in the spring, but again, pretty happy for the purchase. As you can see, it's a bit of an interesting looking tree fern here. Another one we received recently. And again, this just gives you a comparison as to what kind of stuff you're getting online. This is your 3-foot Dicksonia Antarctica here. You can just see the fronds kind of leant over on the side a little bit. It would have been probably on its side for most of the year, got this at the end of the year, but it did come fronded. So again, it is getting some energy into the plant over winter and hopefully get a fantastic new flush on that. Again, pretty happy with the purchase there. Another one we received here is your Cyathea cooperi. Another tree fern. Now this one again, 9cm pot from Jungle in the Box. Decent new little fronds coming out, and you can see it's one of those ones. Now this one again, not very ground hardy, so this will be coming in each year, but a fast growing tree fern on that side, and certainly for the price, once again around that kind of £7 mark, I really couldn't argue with that. Another one we were picked up again from Jungle in the Box. And again, these will just give you a comparison when we do have a look at the Dicksonia Squarrosa. Is your Dicksonia fibrosa here, or golden tree fern, or weki ponga. This one here, again, decent little kind of startings of a trunk. Pretty happy with that. That one, I believe, is in the 2-litre pot there. This one came in at around about £40, if I remember correctly. So a little bit more, but you are getting a bigger size sort of tree fern here. Just coming down this way. And just to show you kind of some of the other ones. A lot of these other ones that we do have here, guys, were purchased online from various different places, some being Seagraves, Palm Tree Company, and a few other shops. And you can just see pretty happy. I mean, that 2-foot there, it's right in front of us. Some fantastic fronds. Again, it would have been on its side, which is why we got that kind of bend in it, kind of facing that way. It's not actually reaching towards the sun as much as you might think from the look of it. So with the new fronds and flush, it should kind of even itself out, if you will. Now, another one we picked up from a nursery. This was a double trunk, which is, you see, protected in here now at the moment. Nice little purchase, and that one was just £37.50. But moving on, again, in regard to purchasing plants online, again, it can be a bit of a, you know, a bit of a gamble, if you will, as you're unable to kind of see the plant beforehand. And I do find some companies, when you are looking at listings online, they'll just have stock images, which for us consumers and people who want to buy the plants really isn't helpful, especially when you receive something that kind of isn't what was pictured. Now, the plant, again, that we picked up was the Dicksonia Squarrosa, which I'll just show you here. And you can see 9cm pot, not much of a trunk on there, and I will put a picture on screen of what it was potentially supposed to look like. Now, I mean, size-wise, from my hand here, you can see we're not very big. With this one here as well, so with the Dicksonia Squarrosa, this is the New Zealand tree fern, or weki. So it's a rough tree fern. It does technically grow with a kind of slender black trunk. Put some images on screen here. It's a bit of a faster growing one, sort of 10 to 80 centimeters per year, with 4 to 31 inches roughly. And it grows, it's a bit smaller, grows only around about 6 sort of meters. So still a good sized tree fern. They actually use these for fencing, which is quite interesting. Don't know if I could afford to build a fence with these. Now, it does actually spread by underground rhizomes as well as that, it can take down to a sort of -4 / -5 for brief periods. Probably would need some protection. That's your 23 to 27F. And of course, like other tree ferns, you want to keep this constantly moist in here. Now, with this one here, again, you may be surprised, this one was actually priced at £51. And again, if you see the picture of what was potentially coming, I wasn't expecting something huge, but again, this is really not close to that size. I did reach out to the company, who did mention I could have a full refund if I wanted to send the plant back, But as said, with this being kind of faster growing plant, I think what I'm going to do is kind of see where I can get it to grow. I don't think it's worth the kind of hassle of sending it back, boxing it up, potentially not getting a refund. Again, it's kind of one of those ones, it's a bit unfortunate, but I know these are a bit more rare. What I would say is Hillside Exotics have a fantastic offering on the Dicksonia Squarrosa, much better sizes, and you know, again, for that little bit extra, I would probably go with one of those. Gets yourself a kind of 1 to 2 foot trunk of proper trunk. You know, you kind of know what you're getting. You can see the tree ferns on the website as well, so shout out to them if you are looking for a tree fern. You know, they are specialists in this, and I would suggest going down that route. So with that said, I'd be interested to know your thoughts, guys, whether you think that's a bargain, rip-off, or whichever. If you've had any experiences with Botanico before, again, put them down in the comments. I think it's going to be helpful for anybody else in the UK ordering online. Now, if you're in the USA, I do understand, you know, tree ferns are probably not as common as we are able to get them, unfortunately. But I would say it's worth, you know, if you can pick one up, fantastic plants, and they, you know, just the size of the fronds here. You're looking at my 1 foot trunk here, which you can see, 2 foot trunk here, down under there, and again, you know, fantastic looking plant, even on the smaller one. Big one, of course, kind of a bit of a showstopper there, I would say. I will put a link down in the comments to the website that I purchased this from, so you can take a look for yourself and see, you know, if you do find it was advertised correctly. I do understand it did say just potted, but again, the pictures, as you'd seen, kind of showed a bit more of a larger plant. And it's one of those ones, I think sometimes that kind of misleading information puts a bad taste in your mouth. And, you know, with that said, I think moving forward, I'm going to stick with the ones that I've had good luck with. So your Jungle in a Box, Palm Tree Company, places like that. Again, I think it's kind of worth learning from my mistakes, if you will. But just with that said, guys, if you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, they will be in the comment section below. If you're not subscribed to our channel, certainly feel free to do so. Join our amazing community. We've got quite a few more videos coming out. But of course, if there are any plants you're interested in, you'd like me to kind of do a highlight or anything like that, certainly let us know. Put it down in the comment section as well. Of course, any likes, shares always help the channel to grow. With that said, of course, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.